Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday Prep. This week we'll focus on motivation in English learning. Learning a language is a journey, and motivation is the energy that keeps you moving. Let's explore 3 powerful phrases that will guide your mindset this week. Phrase 1. Motivation is the fuel of progress. Meaning, motivation gives you the energy to keep going. Example, when you feel excited about learning a new word, that excitement is your fuel. Mini challenge. Think of one thing that motivates you to learn English. Say it out loud. Phrase 2. Consistency beats intensity. Meaning, studying 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a month. Example, a student who practices daily improves faster than someone who studies only when they feel inspired. Tip, choose a small habit, like reviewing 5 words every morning. Phrase 3, celebrate small wins. Meaning, every little achievement matters. Example, you understand a sentence, celebrate it. You remember a verb, celebrate it. Activity, write down one small win from this week. Recap, motivation is your fuel. Consistency builds progress. Small wins keep you going. On Friday, we'll use these phrases in real practice. You'll speak, write, and reflect using them. So keep them in mind.